This is the very serious story of the boy who did not wear slippers outside.
Yeah.
The name of the boy.
Yeah.
What is the name?
Boy.
Yeah, what's the name?
About the Indian mama. Yeah.
What's the name?
Kael.
Yes. Again?
Kael.
Yes. The boy named Kael
Yeah.
did not wear slippers.
Yeah.
Okay. The story goes like this. Mama goes to work.
Yeah.
Dada went to go to get something to buy.
Yeah.
And then Nanay and Kael at home.
Yeah.
And then there were visitor fixing the water. Yan. Then Dada came home.
Yeah.
Then the visitor burned something outside. And then Kael looked outside. What did Nanay say? Do not go outside without slippers.
Yeah.
What did Dada say? Do not go outside without slippers.
Yeah.
What did Ate said? Do not go outside without slippers.
Yeah.
What did Kael do?
Get Dada. Get Nanay. Get Ate. Like that.
No. Kael went to Kuya and then he stepped on the fire.
Yeah.
What? Where is now the burn? Where is the burn? See? This is the burn because you step on the fire.
Yeah.
Very, oh, look at that, oh. It's not normal, oh. Okay. And now what happens to the boy?
It's very bad.
It's crying.
Cry.
Crying a lot. Crying so much. Crying of the pain. Very hurt.
Yeah.
Very hurt. Look. Very hurt.
Yeah.
And then what did Dada do? And
It's
Nanay?
the boy.
They put something to relieve the pain. But the boy is still crying. Why did it happen? What's wrong?
What?
The boy did not wear slippers. If the boy wears slippers, no yayay.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Now what will happen to you now? You cannot walk for days.
Yeah.
And now you say, what do you say to Mama? And Mama is like, oh no, my son. Why? What happened? What is the moral of the story?
Boy will not get about the boy is no not playing people.
Then what will you do every time you go out?
Our people.
Okay. Promise this, ha?
Yeah.
Promise this, promise.
Yeah.
Promise this. Promise this. Promise, ha?
Yeah.
If Kael goes outside without slippers, Mama and Dada will follow Kael
La.
without warning, ha?
La.
I will follow Kael. Mama will follow Kael. Nanay will follow Kael.
Yeah.
Okay?
La.
If without slippers, ha?
Yeah.
If Dada and Mama no slippers, also you tell Mama and Dada, you wear slippers, Mama. You wear slippers, Dada. Okay?
Yeah.
And no slippers inside.
Yeah.
Okay? Slippers outside, outside.
Yeah.
Slippers inside, inside.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, what will happen now to your feet?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Look at this, oh. Very big, oh. Oh. It's like a lollipop, oh.
Yeah. Pop.
Yeah, like a lollipop, oh. Oh.
I will drink water. Yeah. I will drink water.
We will watch this tomorrow, ha?
Yeah. Tomorrow.
We will watch this tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Because, oh, it's very swelly, oh.
Yeah.
Yayay.
Water.
No! You tell Mama the moral of the story. You tell Dada, Dada, follow me if I do not wear slippers. Tell Dada.
Follow me because I'm not ready for it.
Okay, this is my follow for you today, ha? Because you did not wear slippers, ha?
Yeah.
The next time, Dada will do hard, ha?
Yeah.
Hard like that, ha?
Like that.
Huh?
Dada will do hard.
Okay, you go to Mama also. Tell Mama, Mama, follow me if I will not wear slippers, ha?
No, I don't like because Mama happy now.
Mama is happy. Look at Mama.
Do not be angry.
Yeah.
Dada, do not be angry, Dada.
I'm not angry. I am sad because my little boy, Yayay, because you did not wear slippers. And I cannot follow you because you are in Yayay.
Yeah.
But if you're not Yayay that much, and I saw you walking outside and near the fire, I will follow you. Okay?
Yeah.
Today,
Follow me.
this is your follow today.
Like that.
The next time follow is like bang,
Yeah, hard.
hard.
Yeah.
You do not listen, ha?
Yeah.
Okay? Oh, tell that to Mama also. Follow me, Mama, if if hard-headed ka eh. Okay, go.
Dada, do not do alive to me because Mama happy. Do not do alive.
Do not tell a lie, daw, Dada.
I will not tell a lie. But tell Mama that you follow me, Mama, if I will.
Do not, Mama. Do not do alive. Do not
Ayaw
say
daw.
that. Do not.
Dili
Do
daw.
not say that.
Okay, I will not tell that. Okay.
Mama.
Yeah. Please don't get sick, Kyle, ha? Don't get yayay.
Yeah.
You always take care of your...
Body.
You love your body.
Yeah.
Always take care and always be careful and always eat healthy food and
Yeah.
do not harm your... Do not harm your... Do not harm your...
Ticket.
Your body.
Body. Water, Mama.
Water? Little water, Dada, please. Do not harm your body, right?
Dada, do not harm your body.
Yeah.
Because if you get hurt, Mama is very worried.
Yeah.
Mama will be hurt also and sad.
Yeah.
And Dada also.
Yeah, and Nanay also, and everybody sad.
Yeah. What's that? Do not open na na. Ay, may abo ng water sa imong bed.
Mama, because it cute, Mama.
Okay, time to sleep na.
No, I want to drink water.
You can drink the water from here, oh.
Open. Tinto.
Hindi pa open yung gamit. What are you looking?
Yeah.
Oh, you're looking at your feet?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I want to sit there.
You
I
want to
want to sit there with Mama.
You sleep here na. You can crawl. You cannot touch man your boo-boo. Crawl na lang, crawl.
You crawl. You crawl like your baby.
You're crawl
This is like
you're a baby.
Kael before Kael crawling like a baby. Oh, I forgot.
The,
I
change
forgot
the
the
pajama